Oh, let's go. Okay. Wait. No, shot that. Okay. Yo, chat. We are doing a stream, but let me fix some stuff real quick. There we go. First of all, we gotta get the stream window. Whoa. Wild, I know. Let me fix that. Okay. There we go. As you can see, chat doesn't work. But with this little simple trick here, now it should work. Hey, let's go. So now if I just go over here, I should probably see it. Yes, I do. Oh, okay. Guess what? We got a live cam feature. We're gonna do a little showcase. This is like also, I guess, I should say face reveal? Hold up, I gotta edit this. Can I edit? Can I edit? How do you spell reveal? Revile. Face thingy. Show. Yeah, there we go. So now if we reload this here. Okay. I think that would work. Yeah. Okay. We're doing a classic dream fish review here. Right? Look at that. Yo, what's up, chat? This is clearly what I look like. Let's get some good music now. Let's get, yeah. We're getting the good stuff. We got premium quality. So, now you don't have to look at the Minecraft character, you can look up here. In this little corner. I don't know if it's taking too much space though. Honestly I have no clue, but hey, welcome everyone, welcome to another stream where today we are gonna be doing a little coding here. As you could probably guess, this is a current work in progress of Dungeon Runner version 4. As far as I know, this is kind of big, because I got a few people helping with it. I know I just gotta get the basics down and I'll let them loose on like music and the lore stuff, for sure. Texture wise, I found out how to generate that stuff, not AI but like with code, so could be peak. Oh yeah, new mob alert. Oh yeah, look at that. But right now I'm doing test items, so as you can see this is a simple test item. This is technically a stick. I just need to like add more items and make sure that all the stats are working, so when I hold this item, it will work. Yeah. Something weird with this though is that the MC function, especially when returning stuff, it just grays out all this. I thought it was like lost code for a sec, but nope. Completely alright. And then if you do a bunch of hashtags, apparently that does white text. I'm not quite sure why, but oh, peak. Okay, we got item damage, rarity. I kind of don't like this. I wonder if Python's gonna suck if I do that. Oh, so we got 4 item in register, so I can quickly create like demo item 1 and demo item 2. Doesn't matter what it's named, but yeah, at least if I have __ item with all that stuff, then I get 2 demo items. And this is like rarity helper, and this over here. I should probably comment out more stuff, because I've been doing that up here, I think. Ooh, maybe I do. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so it just blocks the code. I should probably go into more in depth. Oh yeah, this is a bug. This is actually kind of interesting, because if I just go, oh my lordy lord, butterscotch, how's it been? Yeah, you got a warning right there. Hello there, butterscotch. My house.wad lawnmower speedrun. Oh, is that actually a thing? I didn't know they had lawnmowers there, but it makes sense. That map is kind of confusing. Chest. Okay, we're just gonna put that item there. Sweet. Actually, oh my lord. Wait, does like the player find the lawnmower, or do they actually mow the lawn with it? Like, I gotta get some in-depth lore here. I need to know. Oh, also, down there, there's chat working again, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Actually, I wonder. I don't know. Game over! Yeah. So, you're gonna be part of the stream forever! Oh yeah. Anyways, let's work on this code. You know, I'm kind of thirsty. Hold up. I'm glad I brought my almond milk breeze. I love almond milk. That was cheap too. There's a lot though. I'm gonna be drinking this throughout the stream. Hopefully I can finish it. Maybe. It's kind of new. Yeah. So, what we got here? Oh yeah, items. You got data helper here for item. That data helper is actually up here. So if mana and items mana, then do custom data mana equals items mana. Now this is actually kind of dope. What I have right here though, custom data. This gets passed through all here, returns out. This should work if I just do copy this, paste it a couple times down below. I could change all the stuff, because this is technically matching through match case of down here mana and item mana 20, which is weird because it's like a dictionary. You want to expect that, but actually we could do something real quick where we can have another little addition here. Move this down here. Mana 20. We could do health 5. And screw it, why not? Defense. We're doing British style, we're doing it without this. And this is just going to be for the back end. So I got health. Health, health, health. Defense. Defense, defense, defense. And just make sure that if defense or health is above 0, then you want to display, of course. If it's anything else, then we don't do anything with it, because you can't really pull from a negative. Should I add negative? I might add that functionality. Okay. Let's get this. I'll put in health. Health. We should probably do it green. Yeah. Ooh, milk break. Heh. Man, I love my milk. Can't get enough of my milk. We should have defense to be aqua. Okay, mana should be light underscore purple. There we go. If we just save all, and then we do a /reload, and alright, that's me trying to find out where the custom data is. Still works, and oh, look at that! Oh, okay, that's pretty good. That means defense, mana, and health, all that stuff is being ran through there. Oh yeah, this is weird. Lore helper, I found out that this little symbol right here makes it so that it unwraps the dictionary. Or, I guess it, yeah, it would be a dictionary because you can append to it. So it just gives all the inner contents, which is basically kind of what Minecraft does. This is technically a dictionary too. But I have, for JSON components, that's probably something else. But Python and JSON kind of work together, so who knows. Let's see here. We got item rarity helper, item color, and how to capitalize. I wonder how the sound is doing for this. Pretty good. Okay. Capitalize, item rarity. Ooh, milk break. Milk. Almond milk. I think I might have enchantments. Yeah, okay. Wait, I need to make sure. Enchants. Okay. So if we have multiple, I'm just guessing it's a comma separating them. Yeah, looks like it. What we got over here, dungeon strength. There it was. Dungeon strength, colon, item, dot, strength. And we can also add that. Strength, colon, 25. Yeah, why not? Then we can do the item lore thing. Actually, we'll put this up here. I'll have to redo that stuff. Search reload. And I think it would be just item demo 1. Yeah. Okay, this should hopefully have like a bunch of strength built up into it. No? It's only got 2. I guess it's just damage. Yeah. Let's do 5. Because it's supposed to multiply. Yeah. Fish enchant. Current entity. Strength 10. Huh? Is enchantments being applied to this? Okay, damage 1, 2. Okay. Maybe it's how I'm laying it out, cause I know that. Minecraft enchantments equals 1 efficiency. Strength equals 25. Oh. We'll just do another def. Enchantment underscore helper. And we'll take just item. We'll probably return, I don't know. Let's just call it output for now. And the output equals a standard dictionary. Okay. I think that works, yeah. There. Oh yeah. And then we do if, oh, that's not indented correctly. If and that damage, because we're gonna put the whole item. Oh, I guess we could do if. I'm just gonna copy that example up there. Damage in item and greater or equal to 0, probably, yeah. Instead of a dictionary, we could just have an output of that. And yeah, custom data. Okay, we're just copying that. Okay, so if this is greater, and if there is an existence of damage keyword in item, then we do custom data damage equals, yeah. We can do the same for strength. I think that would work. Unless I do this, because it's keyword, and we have to need a abbreviation for that. So instead of having, let's say, Doom, welcome Doom. Oh, it's been so long. Guess what? Camera, face reveal, did the whole dream mask drop thing. Yeah, pretty cool. I got my almond milk. Actually, it's time for another milk break. Yeah, I love almond milk. That should be uppercase. Here, I'm just gonna do this and this. Yeah, I know. Oh, I love almond milk. We went to the store, got some, just came back, feeling pretty good. Okay. That's working pretty good. Oh, I think it applied it now. Oh, dude, I love almond milk. Oh, okay, this works now. This is technically stronger than netherite sword, but who cares? Okay, we already got a copy of that. So now we have an optional damage. But Doom? Okay, Doom. I will tell you, almond milk right here. Whoa. I'm going through it. There's about 4 servings, but all these 4 servings are going to me, so. Oh, and since, you know, you got a camera. Mini paintings. Wait. Mini paintings. I love this. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah. Okay. Oats. Don't they make oat milk? Could you just put oat milk with oat cereal and you have an oat milk oat cereal, pure oats? I know, mini paintings. Oh, I love them. Absolutely love these mini paintings. You know what? Actually, we can get more interesting here. This ain't the only light source. Like, I think we got it. Should we bring it out in front? No, I'm bringing it out in front. Rainbow. Whoa. Uh-oh. New lights. I like this lighting. This is nice and warm. But yeah, Doom, amazing. I mean, amazing pick. Too bad I'm drinking all this oatmeal. Or, oh, damn. Almond milk. Yep. No, it's all for me. Absolutely love almond milk. Okay, let's continue coding. Yes, yes. All I got is so much colors going on. Well, it was. Wait. Whoa. Look, got a good amount of calories. Okay, should I do like a keyword taste? Should I do like a keyword config versus like special underscore and then have like, I don't know. Because I can also try and introduce abilities, but I don't know how well that would go out. But as for like a custom item generator, it'd be more like enchants for item abilities until we get like special enchants. Then yeah. I guess I could start coding up first join, load scoreboards. Yeah. Function dungeon colon tick slash stat slash play it from item. Yeah, we'll call it that for now. And what we are gonna be doing, I think, if I just scroll back to where I actually got that right command, there it is. If I do something like data get current entity, selected components, mana, I think that might work. I think if I just do an execute if items entity, because oh yeah, probably if items entity current entity weapon, probably main hand, doesn't matter what the item is, but we're gonna do data, custom data, and we're gonna say about. So this little symbol right here, that says it searches for if it exists, then we call it good. And we're just gonna do mana colon 1. See, but that's limiting. Like, wait, can we have like a... No, that'd be nice if... Selected components, Minecraft custom data. This just grabs selected. I know what to do. See, we don't have anything here, but if we do this, we got 20B. So we can execute store result into our score of current player's max mana, or okay, this is a thinker now. Max mana. Chord objective set to play sidebar max mana. Okay. I see what the problem is. Because we just set max mana to that, we aren't like adding anything to it. I wonder if we could do this with one command. Score. Yeah, for now. Because I want to store result. Do I want to do a storage or do I want to do it in a scoreboard? Entity. Current entity. Yeah, that's just custom data. Passport, no, we don't do that. I mix between either storage or score. Yeah, storage is more for functions. Current is see, that would store the exact holding. Oh wait, what if we do something really messed up? Where we, not like bad messed up, but like messed up with the coding. Where, because I got a dummy scoreboard that just does nothing. Max mana. And we always have like 100 as the base mana. So we execute as at all players. And I think we do run scoreboard players. I think it was. We're just gonna get rid of this command here. Players, operations, current entity is const. Plus equals current entity is max mana. Why not? Okay. This might work. Because then if we do grenades const players, oh, and then if we do set max mana, max mana to 100, and then we just reverse this operation, so max mana plus const, we reload that, slash reload, and then we just do function. It might work. Stat, get from item. 120! That works. And then what if we do it again? 140. Oh, just keeps adding. I think we have to just set it before. Wait, what if we just get rid of this and use const as a score that keeps track of things? So then if we just do slash reload, and it works. Oh yeah, that little max mana right there, right there, so weird. Right there, that is basically grabbing from the mana down below here as a separate score, but it's just all item data, so that's great. Man, I need to fix that mana bar. Why is it doing that? I think it's regen. Yeah. I never put if it's greater than run. Greater than max health. Set it equal to max health. This is the same for regen, where if it's greater than current entity's max mana, then we want to set it equal to. So this should hopefully fix that bug. Yep, look at that. But now let's say, we have no item. Oh. Actually, I shouldn't put that in the regen, because that's, I'll just make my own function. Dungeon context slash stat slash max stat. I should call it overflow. Corruptor. Colon. There we go. Then we just put this in the tick. Yeah. So now if I do slash reload, and if I do this function, get from item, it should immediately do that. But then, like, let's say, I unselect my item for whatever reason. Oh yeah, because I gotta keep doing that. So technically, I gotta run this function repeatedly too, which should be simple. Yeah. Slash reload. As a slash reload. You know, just doing that in dungeon tick, because that's a current entity. Execute as at all players. Run function. There we go. So now, boom. Look at that. Then we got a stat that grows, kind of, based on regen, and it instantly just flicks off. Ooh, milk time! That's good milk. You know, I can't get enough of all my milk. I'm gonna drink more. Man, almond milk. Totally makes the world turn. Well, maybe not. Yeah. What should we do now? Oh yeah, add more stats. So now this is the weird part where I'm saying that this might get really messy really fast. We're using const as an overall base, so max health instead of max mana. We're just doing health. So this should maybe work. I don't know about maybe. Oh, it works. It works for both of them. That's insane. And because I already have health here, I guess defense would be up next. Yeah. And this is just for handheld items. Defense. Defense. So we're using a scoreboard for 3 separate processes all at the same time. Kind of a little iffy on that, but who knows? Might work. Because it's all singled out as one line gets set to that, and then this gets reset as a value from that. I don't know. Guess we should have an overflow for max defense. Because just in case. Damn. Okay, defense is instant. That's great. That's what I like to see. And then health and mana are, of course, slow tick rates. Yeah. Technically, defense though, it runs through defense calculation, so you're technically seeing yeah, that would be your actual defense. That's something right here. That's something that would be divided by your health or damage. Actually, let's test it. Let's see this completely thrown together feature. That works. Ha! Look at that. Okay. That's actually really cool. Oh, did the music cut out? Yeah. Ooh, let's listen to some backrooms. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, mysterious cow. Blast pit. Wait, now I'm just discovering new music. Actually, this is pretty dope. Oh my god, backrooms. I love backrooms. To be honest, Doom, I haven't seen the movie at all, so I gotta before it's out. Yeah. Milk time. I mean, to be honest though, ooh, more milk. I can't. More messed up. Yeah, I think digital would be cheaper, but just being in a movie theater where it all happens might be fun too. I don't know. Wait, that's right, I was gonna rename the item here. Wait, I forgot to implement the item name. What am I doing? Dot item underscore name dot capitalize. Yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Dude. Actually, maybe. I'm still putting that on the table. We could probably have a joke floor for like the whole backrooms thing. Although I want to slowly release this update too. I don't know. Work on some floors because this is a lot different from all the previous Dungeon Runner versions because slightly coded in Python, which is great. I mean, I love Python. Don't get me wrong. It's just gonna be weird, like updating it, you know. But it's gonna be super fast too. Like, look at this. Basic item over here. Basic item alert. This is just one item. This is pretty fast, pretty simple. And it generates a nice item like this. Oh yeah, alright, I was gonna edit that lore. Item already that capitalized plus weapon are bows considered weapons? Yeah, common weapon sounds better. Changing it up, so instead of rarity being at the bottom, we can have it at the top, so we can have stuff edited later, so we can have item customization. Yeah. Ooh, more milk. Mini spyglass alert. Mini spyglass alert. I mean, I think it's a weapon. Wait, that's dumb. Yeah, it is. This milk is doing something to me. What else should I add? We have defense deck, mana. I guess we could introduce like regen too, as like an improved version of like, hey, you want to regen a little bit faster, than choose this weapon. Maybe. Yeah. Just gotta introduce that to this. Oh, first, must do. Health colon 4 and health underscore regen colon 1. Okay, I'll put this down here for now. If health regen and items health regen. Yeah. And it will be red. Yeah. Guess we need to work on that. Make it exposed to health underscore region. You know, I guess we'll give it functionality too. Health regen to 1. And that needs to go there. And that needs to go there. So if we just file save all, probably added a does that actually work? Oh wait, that should be green. Color green. Yeah. Health regen's already set to 1. I'm stupid. It's all lowercase. Oh no. There we go. Huh. There we go. No, you regen from it. Screw it. Why not? Why not just like, I don't know. Add the rest. Yeah. Mana regen. Cyan. And now we expose it. Yeah. Okay. I think this hopefully works. Oh wait, we need to do something with this. $100. In a region, it's gonna be 2. And we do / reload. Pretty average. Uh-oh. I'm pretty sure it's with this. There is no cyan. That's right, it's always aqua. That gets me so confused. I thought there was. Oh yeah. Mana regen works now. So instead of having like 1 tick, we got mana regen 2. Oh yeah, mana regen's. Wait, then what's cyan?
Aqua. Defense is aqua. Okay. So then, yeah, light purple. Yeah. Light purple. I'll probably fix this up with spacing in between all that stuff. Like, yeah. That's pretty good. Milk time. I love my milk. Okay. This is actually pretty alright. Damage 5, strength, health. I have defense in here too, just because. Oh wait. There you go. Actually, we'll make this uncommon. Ooh, uncommon weapon. Oh, the background's not changed. Rarity helper item dot rarity. Wait. Should be under tooltips display. Ah, that's the problem. Item dot rarity dot lower. Oh, that's perfect. We'll have more backgrounds once things get rolling. I'm hoping that like all these items here, these are just basic items. Oh yeah. Tour of the dungeon. Well, this is just the main area. Still gotta fill it out with a lot of stuff. Build a little bit more. You got the courtyard. Fake action right there. Nice little enchant room. I don't know. I might make this into like a forge area right here. There's gonna be like 2 statues over here. Painting. And this is gonna be the door. So yeah, lots of interesting stuff. I wonder if I could make like a custom ability. Cause I got this enchant generator here. There we go. We'll go into the cool little sidebar. Let's reset it to default for now. That's gonna be a list. Well. Stick. And crossbow. Okay, effects.
What if we do like damage merits, like... No, that's just damage. Attributes. Attributes. Attributes! Dude, I didn't know that. Oh my god, wait, that's insane. So an enchant can give an attribute. I wonder if we can make our own attribute. Probably not. Yeah, no. Okay. Test environment, test instance. Post effect. That's interesting. I have no clue. Blur? Yeah, that exists. Oh, it's shaders. Ah, okay. Damn. Yeah, anyways. Oh, we can have... Uh, 0.5. Do we want to do negative? ctx.data. And we're gonna have in dungeon colon size, right, equals to enchantment. That might work. You just gotta save, reload. I know what I'm doing. Let's get ourselves a trusty old stick for now. And slash enchant current entity size. Does nothing. Huh. Wait. Oh, I need a slot. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. There it is. Okay, I guess this is bigger. I want smaller. So we'll do negative 0.5. Sweet. Okay, this is a smaller stick. Used with an enchant. Ha. I can scurry around now. Yeah. I am one apple tall. Wow.
little bit bigger than a chest. Ooh, milk break. Man, this never gets old. So I can just affect attributes now. With enchants. It's kind of big. That's a big improvement. Small, big, small, big. Wow, okay. Well, this opens the door. I'm gonna create a few more enchants. Just kind of mess around with them. Gravity. You know, we'll do speed. We'll add 0.5. And we'll minus 0.5. Yeah. This will be like super slowness. Yeah. ctx.data. And we're doing dungeon on slow equals enchantment. Oh yeah. So if we enchant something like slash enchant current entity, and we get, ooh, dungeon slow. That does nothing. Oh, because I always keep forgetting main hand. Main underscore hand. I gotta relog, do that stuff. Whoa. Oh, main hand's not supposed to. Okay, yeah. Whoops. Mm-hmm. Ooh, I don't like those values. Let's just do 0.1 each. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Damn. Okay. Oh yeah. No, that's faster. Maybe it's minus 0.04. Let's do that. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. It would be kind of cool to see like dynamically changing like enchantments. Might be kind of interesting. Actually, wait a minute. Can we do an object type lookup
Values. No. Linear. Yeah. Never mind. I guess those are kind of like special abilities here. Okay. We got a good item generator being worked on. Demo item. Ooh, milk time. Okay, so. Ooh, mana's getting up there. Mana's probably gonna be for more of like right click. Probably. Should I add the item name as a data thing too? Maybe. Ha. Item model's definitely gonna change. For sure. Yeah. Okay. Couple more enchants. Up here's just basic functions. This is strictly for entities. Entity zone. Should probably separate all that stuff with this. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna just keep looking at this though, because effects for enchants is kind of interesting. Hit block. Damage. Any position, any position. Huh. Yeah, that's just particles, but we can also have it run a function. That might actually be nice. Apply mob effect to. I wonder if... Okay, let's just see with damage right now. Damage. Let's... I don't know, do entity scores. Scores, yada yada.
this. Ooh. Can we like add based on an object? No. Set all of effects. I think it's just the requirements that's able to grab tools or all that stuff. Ooh, item modifier is pretty cool. Absolutely love it. Oh yeah, that's already there. No, I'll put this stick in here. I think possibly good for coding. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. You can just change the name to like Doom. I don't know, why not? Look at that custom name. It's pretty cool. I might change the particle textures too. Who knows? Oh yeah, for all of you watching, look at that hidden painting entrance. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I think that's it. That's good work for tonight. Added more stuff. This is like the basics of items. I could check off some stuff here. Create item rarity. Make test item. With strength. Make items. Affect stats. Yes, that's it. Add dynamic item abilities. That's not something. Add config item generation. So we just are left with 2. Oh yeah, I guess do these. Okay, so yeah, we're getting pretty good with this development base. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Anything else? If you got any ideas for like what you want to see with this project, let me know. It's still in the works, so I can change some things. Yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, and have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Bye bye.